Welcome to Using the PSA. Now, many of you are wondering, what is the PSA? Well, let me explain it to you. It is a problem-solving method of communicating in the workplace. What the heck does that mean, you're probably thinking? Well, it's a more effective way of communicating. At work, we generally use email, office documents, memos, etc. It helps ensure we're sending the right message to our audience. Alright now, so there are 5 basic steps in the PSA process. It's simple to remember. First, we plan. Then, we research. Then draft, followed by review, and finally distribute. Nothing complicated, right? Moving along now, so you can get a better understanding of how the process works, I will discuss how I used it successfully to complete one of my assignments this semester, which was used at work in the latter. This semester, I constructed a workplace memo proposing some sort of change I would like to have implemented. To begin, I started by planning. Planning consisted of developing a purpose and a goal, followed by identifying the target audience, medium or format, and then the contents that will be included. Then, I researched the issue and gathered all pertinent information together. Next, it was time to develop the draft. This involved arranging all the information that I researched in a way that provides purpose. It took a few tries applying some of the feedback I received from classmates, but I eventually nailed it. In the review process, I checked for any mistakes or errors that may have occurred during the writing process. In addition to that, I also allow others to review my documents to make sure that the message I'm trying to deliver is clear. Finally, I distributed the document, I sent it to my professor, and allowed other members of the class to view it on the discussion boards. I received an A, so I was happy, but I was even more rewarded when I actually sent the modified version to my project manager, and he liked it. So we're still working out the kinks and everything, but overall, success. So let's review the 5 basic steps in the PSA process. First, plan. Develop your purpose and goal for writing. Second, research. Provide relevant information. Third, draft. Arrange the information so that it has purpose. Fourth, review. Be sure to look for any mistakes. Finally, distribute. Send the document to its recipients once it's completed. So what have I learned from the PSA process? Well, can't stress it enough. Take time to plan. Know your purpose and goal. If you don't, it's like throwing darts in the dark. Second, research. Find relevant information. Remember one thing, it's your credibility that's at stake. Finally, take time to test and review your work. Avoid disaster. Believe me, I've done it, so I know. Remember,